I'm hiding the box so you can't see. It's
Not easy.
It's a big mother of a box, but I'm hiding it from you because it's not often something pops up into the BQ vault that I think, ooh, Russell would really like this, because to be fair, we don't get many Casios or Seikos here. We get a few Grand Seikos.
Yeah.
I know you're a big fan of those. And obviously this box is a bit too big for your mad hacker.
Very big.
What do you think's in the box, if you had to guess? I'm trying my best to cover it.
The only thing I would guess is it's an Omega. Omega love their boxes.
They do love a box.
They do love a box.
Okay.
It's not a briefcase. So, is it something? Is it a brand that are trying to make something absolutely mega?
Do you know what? Let's find out. Welcome back, everybody. As you can see, I've replaced the lovely Kaylee with the very handsome Russell, the Mad Watch Collector, who's joining me today for a very special unboxing. Now, it's hard to hide the box now, but it says Tag Heuer on the front. Russell, do you have any idea what this is? A few little details on the front.
It's very cool. I can see these little motifs, and that
kind of gives it away.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we go din 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 din, it's a Tag Heuer. Mario. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, it's a box. Oh my gosh,
it's a box in a box.
It's a box in a box in a box. And you know what? This is where we have to fast forward the video so you can see me get it out. Oh, no, you don't. Layers upon layers upon layers.
This is the warranty card.
It's very cool. Hold on a second. Let's get the actual box out.
Well, what's that then? What is that?
Take it out, Russell.
What's
Have a little look.
thing?
I feel like we need to get this box out.
There's a box and there's a watch roll, and this says Mario Kart, mate.
It does, doesn't it?
You right?
Yeah. Pull the box. Pull the box.
Pull the box.
There we go. Right. Let's get rid of the Death Star. Let's put that to the side for 1 second.
That's the Borg from Star Trek.
It is the Borg, to be fair. Wow. I mean,
that's another box in a box.
Mario. Oh, it is a box in a box.
Yeah, you got to take that out as well.
Have you ever seen one of these in the flesh?
No, definitely not. I've seen.
I haven't either. Should we have a little look before we show the viewers?
Yeah. It's another
Would you
box.
believe it? There's another box inside the box.
Oh my God.
Let's go. So they're really going to, to be fair, half of the money of this watch is in the box, surely.
Wow.
Let's pop this to the side. Go on, I'm going to let you do the honours.
You sure?
Now we've got 2 travel cases.
Well, this one feels like there's something in it. That one feels...
I'm going to check. That's definitely empty.
Right. Oh my gosh. Wow. Mario!
Let's take that out of the way.
Take that out of the way. Oh my gosh, we've got a tourbillon here.
Look at that.
It's me, Mario.
Oh my golly gosh. Wow.
If you haven't seen this up close, which we are going to show you in just a couple of minutes, it's pretty unique, isn't it? The detailing of the Mario on it is pretty insane, because if you look on the crown, there is a M for
Mario.
Show that to the camera, Russell.
Mario.
A little M there.
Wow.
There's a lot going on there.
There's a lot going on. What we have is a tourbillon here, and on the tourbillon is Mario speeding away from a blue shell. That's the worst thing you want coming at you when you're playing Mario Kart, my friend. That is the worst thing. And also...
Do you play Mario Kart?
Yes, I absolutely
When
love
you play Mario Kart, who are you?
I'm Mario.
Mario!
No, I'm Mario!
Mario!
Oh, I've got the tourbillon moving here now. I've got it moving.
Wow.
And look, you've got Mario skipping away from a blue shell, and also Bullet Bill.
Bullet Bill.
Bullet Bill.
I mean, I wonder what inspired Tag Heuer to think, I know, let's make a Mario Kart edition watch. No. There's a lot going on here. I mean, it really is, actually very much lighter than I thought it would be.
Yeah,
very much lighter. Colours are red, obviously for Mario, which is really, really pretty. You've got the display case back open work, so you can see exactly what's going on, and it's got Mario Kart written on the back. And actually, once again,
you've got carts on the rotors.
Yeah,
there's
carts on the rotor I can see as well.
I like the shell motif on the strap.
Very lovely. This one is actually still stickered.
Yeah.
So it's obviously brand new.
Yeah.
I mean, it is brand new.
100%.
If you had to guess how much this watch is, how much would you guess that this costs?
Well, first, if you was to take the Mario parts out,
Yeah.
it's quite a serious watch.
Yes, it is.
You know, proper.
Tourbillon.
Yeah, it's slightly open work, it's got that tourbillon. Chronograph. It's a very serious watch, and then you've got these playful characters on the tourbillon. I don't.
Hold on.
What about a bezel twist?
I was going to say, before we do that, I'm going to let you do the honours.
Oh, here we go.
Have a little listen.
So, yeah. It doesn't twist.
That's just devalued it massively.
Well, basically, it's in the look of a tyre, isn't it?
Is that what it
But
is?
there's no, obviously it's a,
I just want to check you are twisting it the right way, aren't you?
well, yeah.
It doesn't
That
twist.
is disappointing to me, mate.
Yeah.
Because that has got a grip for twisting,
It really has, hasn't it?
but it's also
It's
a
very
tyre.
well built.
It's very well built. Very light. I'm scared to think of the money.
Scared to ask how much this is.
I'm scared.
Well, the really good news is I'm going to have to ask. Hold there for 1 second.
Yeah.
So to come back, sorry for the pause there. Russell, this is ready. Hold on to your chair before you fall
Hold
off
on
it.
your butts.
This is £24,000, not yen. £24,000. You can check it out on bqwatches.com because all the information is there and this watch is for sale. But for now, yeah. Mario!